There is another question on summary card report. They want to group by, see, we have added the other two fields in the report. Then they want to have a group by that, because in the other two they have wrongly probably, I would say, used it for marketing. In the other two they are putting from the source of like Google, whatever. Yeah, okay. They want to group by that.
So what's your question?
Can we do that in the group by report, in the summary report?
I suggest you need to do report writer. There's two parts to answering that question. The first part is you have to modify the report writer to do grouping, which I'm not going to show you today. I'm just going to tell you that you need to do that. Does anyone know what the second part of the requirement is? And we have discussed this in a previous session. Maybe not these sessions.
No, chaining we have done. Chaining
not chaining.
No.
What is the second thing that you need in order for grouping to work? I have brought this topic up in prior sessions. Implementing grouping into the report itself is a no-brainer. Correct? Would we all agree that that's taken for granted? Right. What's the second thing you require in order for grouping to work? Sorted. Yeah. It must be in the right sort order. Yeah. So I'm going to turn on admin mode. We all remember how to go into admin mode for report writing purposes. And admin equals true. I'm going to go into job card reports. Yeah. I'm going to go into setup reports, and I'm going to choose whatever report it happens to be. It'll be one of my summary reports. Okay, let's just say it's that one there. I don't really care what it is. Yeah. Okay, so what I need to do is go into my page 2, and in my key here, I need to enter the field value that I am going to sort the report on. In your case, it will be other 2. Yeah. But do you want sub-sorting within that? Or what order do you want it within other 2? Do you want it in job card order, customer ID order, whatever it is? So you can chain multiple fields together here. So it could be other 2 plus customer ID, other 2 plus transform serve card ID, other 2 plus TTOD due date, job date. Whatever it happens to be, right, you can do orders in here, because simply doing other 2 is just going to do it in data entry order within other 2. And that may or may not be what you want.
So other 2 by
so we
job
don't
number.
We don't need to group on the other fields. We're just controlling the order of the data as it appears within the grouping. That's what the key condition there is.
So
okay?
Does that just work on converting it to a string and then ordering those?
Order as a string. Now what this is going to do, if there's a key value in there before it starts the report, it will actually create a temporary index on the resultant data before it actually starts running the report. It is smart enough to actually compare your key to a standard index expression, and if it's just serve card ID, then it doesn't create a temporary index, it sets the serve card ID index tag. But if it's some complex expression that doesn't exist in one of the current index tags, it'll create a temporary index tag on the data. This could, of course, take up some amount of time while it's creating this index tag for the report output, depending on the size of your data.
Yeah.